are here in a jungle of over 18 machines here, hanging out with Jim over at JTech. First and foremost, man, how are you today here at IMTS?
I'm doing great, man. Day two, it's been a good show. A lot of action coming on in here. It's been good. It's been a good show so far.
We have this door closed, and I don't know about you, I gotta see what's behind this. Let's open this bad boy up. So as we do, we're seeing a massive platter, man. I haven't seen one like that in quite some time. Break it down. What are we looking at here, man?
So this is actually a United States first, show first. We're showcasing this machine here, VTC1612 from WELE. This is a 63-inch table, 70-inch swing diameter turning. So this is a first, a showcase first here at IMTS.
Incredible to see. You're seeing multiple layers of fixturing, massive platter. But one thing I noticed is you got written on this wall, trusted solutions for heavy duty machining. Does this fulfill that promise?
Yes, it does. Yes, this has a 60 horsepower table, up to 16,000 Newton meter, or 16,000 foot-pounds of torque it can handle. It also has live tooling, which is a big benefit for many different industries, an all-in-one solution where you can do milling and turning in one machine. Has a 16 tool changer, heavy milling, heavy turning. It can do it all.
Man, it sounds like you have plenty of real estate. You've got the live tooling. You have all the space in the world. So let's talk about this from an operator's perspective. What are some of the most exciting features you think that are bringing the most value to operators at the spindle?
Well, I think definitely the compact footprint is a great thing. This opening here to allow loading and unloading with crane. It's not that high of a table. It's a nice height for a job shop, kind of an all-around machine that can do it all. An everyday machine, every man's machine, I would say.
Which is really intriguing. And as you're talking about this, really inquiring with these customers, trying to provide a legitimate solution, what's something, and you can be a little biased here, that's okay, what excites you the most about this piece of manufacturing awesomeness?
I mean, the build quality that WELE brings is second to none. Coming from the service side of things, I originally started with JTech and working with WELE for many years. I took a little hiatus, went and did some automation, spread my wings, came back to the nest, working with the WELE product because it's a great company, great product to work with. Their build quality, every single person that starts in building and developing the machine or building up the machine, they start hand scraping. All the mating surfaces are hand scraped. Everybody has to understand that process because that's a critical key to developing and building that product and making sure you're holding true accuracy, true geometry on their systems. So all WELE products, turning centers, vertical machines, bridge machines, 5-axis machines, all go through the same stringent build process with all that hand scraping that they do, definitely.
That's very intriguing. And talk about a true empathetic approach where you really have to understand the process behind it and really understand it in order to bring the quality that you have. So that being said, man, I appreciate you giving me all the insights on this massive machine with even more massive capabilities. Hey everybody, this is Eddie from MTD CNC. We'll see you next time.